In this video, I will explain how to create form. I will arrange the data in table. To create a form, I will take form tag. For name, input I will be text. For password, input I will be password. For email, input I will be email. For gender, input I will be radio. For address, we will use text area tag, where we can set columns and rows accordingly. For date of birth, input type will be date. For pictures, input type will be file. For drop down, we will use select tag. Within this, we will give options. Here I will put some country's name. You can select the data from the drop down. For hobbies, input I will be checkbox, because hobbies can be multiple, so you can check one or more box. At the end, you need to submit the data. For submit, input I will be submit. Now, after submitting, it should go to another page. For that, I'll create one new file. Here I will put some text. Now, in open form tag, you have to give action, and in this action, you have to give new created file path. Now it will redirect to another page.